So the next question is, what are common mistakes or key things level designers look for after the first pass of a level is finished? What are some common flaws in level design that tend to be overlooked?
I can speak on this right now. One level design feature that always gets overlooked and recently was overlooked is the social aspect and where users are spawning in that lobby space. It can be so incredibly vital. In Tasty Farms, we had 25 plots all around an area, and it wasn't feeling like a little neighborhood. So I had to delete all of that and shove all the buildings into a little town, and it feels so much better. But getting that social aspect down and user to user interaction can honestly be overlooked, and it's really easy to fix, but just keep in mind how people are going to be talking, trading, and interacting with each other.
I honestly think what I touched on earlier is pretty important too. Keeping your level cohesive to your gameplay mechanics. So, what I've seen a lot on like at least first-person shooters recently is they have like an excellent movement system, but the level is not complementary to that. So, like keeping it really cohesive and really tight is pretty important, and I think you can get a little carried away when designing a world. You go a little too far away from what your game mechanics are actually like.
Yeah, for me, it's more so of a feature. I agree with what they said, but for me, I find that lighting is very underused in a lot of games, and it can make such a big difference without having to actually physically detail anything. You know, from dynamic clouds to atmospheres and post-processing effects. I don't think I see those used enough in a lot of games. So.